Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 31st, 2025, and we're diving into Linde's recently released third-quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Linde's performance this quarter is quite intriguing, and I'm excited to break it down for our viewers.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Linde reported sales of $8.6 billion for the third quarter, marking a 3% increase year over year. John, can you elaborate on their profitability metrics?
Absolutely. Linde's operating profit came in at $2.4 billion, with an adjusted operating profit of $2.6 billion, also up 3% from last year. The adjusted EPS was 4.21 cents, which is a 7% increase year over year. This indicates strong operational efficiency and effective cost management.
Cash flow and shareholder returns. Moving on to cash flow, Linde's operating cash flow increased by 8% to $2.9 billion. How did this impact their free cash flow and shareholder returns?
Linde generated a free cash flow of $1.67 billion after capital expenditures. They returned $1.69 billion to shareholders through dividends and stock repurchases, demonstrating a strong commitment to returning value to shareholders.
Segment performance. Let's delve into the segment performance. How did Linde's different regions fare this quarter?
The Americas saw a 6% increase in sales to $3.85 billion, driven by higher pricing and volumes. APAC sales were up 1% at $1.74 billion, while EMEA sales rose 3% to $2.8 billion. However, Linde Engineering faced a 15% decline in sales, highlighting some challenges in that segment.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what guidance has Linde provided for the upcoming quarter and the full year?
Linde expects adjusted EPS for Q4 to be between 4.10 and 4.20, reflecting a 3 to 6% increase. For the full year, they project adjusted EPS in the range of 16.35 to 16.45, with capital expenditures between 5.0 and 5.5 billion to support growth and maintenance.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. What insights did CEO Sanjiv Lamba share regarding Linde's strategic direction and market conditions?
CEO Sanjiv Lamba highlighted the achievement of an all-time high EPS of $4.21, emphasizing their resilient results despite stagnant industrial activity. He reiterated their disciplined capital allocation policy aimed at generating long-term shareholder value while maintaining a cautious outlook on near-term industrial recovery.
Key takeaways. In summary, Linde has delivered a solid performance this quarter, with sales of $8.6 billion and an adjusted EPS of 4.21 cents, slightly beating the forecast of 4.18. Their strong cash flow and shareholder returns underscore their financial health. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you. Linde's strategic initiatives and financial discipline position them well for future growth. It's been a pleasure discussing their performance.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Linde's performance in the comments below.